Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date May 26, 2021. Let's start with international news. Martha Koome appointed Kenya's first woman Chief Justice. Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta appointed Kenya's first woman Chief Justice Martha Koome. She belongs to East African country. She replaces David Maraga. Martha Koome is the first woman to head any of the three branches of government. About Martha Koome, she founded and headed the Federation of Women Lawyers, which is an organization dedicated to campaign and advocates for women's rights and offer free legal aid to poor women. The organization played an important role in drafting new constitution in 2010. Martha Koome is the third Chief Justice since the new constitution drafted. Kenya capital, Nairobi. Nepal President orders to dissolve the parliament. Nepal President Bindya Devi Bhandari dissolved the parliament on Friday midnight and ordered for the fresh election within 6 months. The decision was made on the recommendation of the cabinet headed by caretaker Prime Minister KP Oli. The election will take place between November 12th and November 18th. Reason for the dissolution: the dissolution of the parliament comes after Oli claimed to form government had to be dropped by presidents on legal advice. Oli was recently appointed as Prime Minister after opposition party led by Nepali Congress leader Sher Bahadur Dhuja were unable to form a coalition government. Protest. The opposition parties including Nepali Congress, Maoist Party, a section of the Samajwadi Janata Party and Oli's Communist Party of Nepal had warned that they would launch widespread protest if president violated the constitution and retained Oli. Cyclone Yash hits North Odisha, Bengal on high alert. Cyclone Yash crossed the North Odisha coast about 20 kilometers south of Balasore between 10:30 and 11 am with 130 to 140 km per hour wind. Over 10 lakh people have been relocated to storm shelters in Odisha and West Bengal, while other states such as Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Andaman and Nicobar Islands have also put a contingency plan in action. It is Odisha that is likely to be at the center of the devastating storm. Cyclone Yash named by Oman country. Pfizer and BioNTech pledges 2 billion doses of corona vaccine to less wealthy nations. American pharmaceutical company Pfizer and German pharmaceutical company BioNTech pledges Friday to deliver 2 billion doses of their COVID-19 vaccine to middle and low income countries over the next 18 months. Amid international call for the more vaccine solidarity, they expect to provide a million of the doses this year and another millions of the doses in 2022. Highest ever energy light captured by Chinese Mountain Observatory. Using an observatory on the edge of the Tibetan Plateau, astronomers have spotted the highest energy light ever, gamma ray photons up to 1.4 peta-electron volt, in short PeV. They have traced these elements photon back to a dozen of their likely sources, powerful factories in the Milky Way galaxy that accelerate charged particle called cosmic rays. This was detected by Large High Altitude Air Shower Observatory from China. National news. Jharkhand state launches Amrit Vahini app. Jharkhand state has launched Amrit Vahini app for the online booking of hospital beds. Corona patients in Jharkhand can book hospital beds online through the Amrit Vahini app. Launched by CM Reman. App information. Vahini app, the state government would be able to provide better facilities for the people infected with the coronavirus. Through Amrit Vahini app or website, one can get all information about the availability of hospital beds and even book one for himself or anybody else through online. The bed booked by the person will be kept reserved for him for the next 2 hours. Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren, Jharkhand Governor Draupadi Murmu. DRDO to deploy advanced biodigester MK2 technology. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO will install its eco-friendly biodigester units across the facilities operated by Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation, Maha Metro in short, which help conserve water and protect the environment. Uses of this technology, DRDO will provide technical support for the implementation of its advanced biodigester MK2 technology for the treatment of human waste in the metro rail network. Haryana to launch anti-COVID Sanjeevani Pariyojana for quick Medicare access at home. Haryana government will launch on Monday an anti-COVID Sanjeevani Pariyojana to provide for supervised and quick medical care at home, largely for people in rural areas with mild to moderate symptoms of the disease. Sanjeevani Pariyojana will extend medical care to rural areas where awareness of the second wave of COVID-19 and how to treat it remains low. Haryana Chief Minister M.L. Khattar, Haryana Governor Satyadev Narayan Arya. Children impacted by COVID-19 pandemic being provided telecounseling through Samvedna. Samvedna telecounseling service is for psychological support to children to address their stress, anxiety, fear and other issues during pandemic. This service is available on a toll-free number from Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. This service is exclusively for children who are willing to talk and are in need of counseling. This counseling service was launched by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Appointments. Selva Perunthakai appointed Congress Legislative Party leader in Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. Sriperumbudur MLA K. Selva Perunthakai has been appointed as the Congress Legislative Party leader in Tamil Nadu Assembly. Kiliyur MLA S. Rajesh Kumar will be appointed Congress Legislative Party Deputy Leader. Fishing ban, Tamil Nadu announces Rs 5,000 assistant to 1.72 lakh fishermen. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has announced an assistant of Rs 5,000 each to 1.72 lakh fishermen across the state to sustain their livelihood in view of the annual deep sea fishing ban in force. The 61-day fishing ban is in force in 13 East Coast districts from April 14 and it would come into force in West Coast region from 1st to 31st June month. The fishing ban assistance will be credited directly to the bank account of the beneficiaries according to the Fisheries Department Minister Anita Radhakrishnan. As per the order of Stalin, the government issued an order sanctioning Rs 86 crore to provide Rs 5,000 assistance to 1.72 lakh fishermen in the state. Awards. Suresh Mukundan wins the title of World Choreography Awards. Emmy Award nominated choreographer Suresh Mukundan, who is the founder of dance group Kings United, has won the title of World Choreography Award for the show World of Dance. He has become the first Indian to win this title. Earlier, Suresh's team had won NBC's World of 3. Suresh was also one of the captain in the TV shows Dance Plus 5, World Choreography Award, otherwise known as World Dance Oscar Award. Important days. International Day for Biological Diversity, May 22nd. Theme of this year, we are part of the solution. Work to preserve. This day is celebrated to preserve biodiversity contributes to the nutrition, food security and livelihoods of people, especially for the most vulnerable. And National Endangered Species Day, May 21st. National Endangered Species Day is observed every year on the third Friday in May. This year, the day falls on May 21st. Across the globe, the day is celebrated to raise awareness about endangered species of flora and fauna. On this day, wildlife refuges, zoos, aquariums, gardens, school, libraries, museums, community groups and NGOs hold a special program to review how animal species are under the threat of extinction. Expected questions. Question number 1. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of Kenya? Option A. Anna Chandi. Option B. Martha Koome. Option C. Vidya Bhandari. Option D. None of the above. Answer: Martha Koome. Question number 2. When will Nepal parliamentary second phase election will held? Option A. November 12 to 18. Option B. December 9 to 15. Option C. October 8 to 14. Option D. December 4 to 10. Answer: November 12 to 18. Question number 3. Which company has promised to supply COVID-19 vaccine to middle and low income poor countries over the next 18 months? Option A. Pfizer Company. Option B. Bion Company. Option C. Serum Institute. Option D. All the above. Answer: A and B. Question number 4. Which Indian state launched Amrit Vahini for the online booking of hospital beds? Option A. Uttarakhand. Option B. Jharkhand. Option C. Odisha. Option D. West Bengal. Answer: Jharkhand. Question number 5. Which organization developed biodigester MK2 technology to treat human waste? Option A. DRDO. Option B. ISRO. Option C. Serum Institute of India. Option D. None of the above. Answer: DRDO. Question number 6. Which Indian state launched Sanjeevani Pariyojana? Option A. Haryana. Option B. Madhya Pradesh. Option C. Uttarakhand. Option D. Jharkhand. Answer: Haryana. Question number 7. Which commission started Samvedna to address the children's stress? Option A. National Women Commission. Option B. National Commission for Animals. Option C. National Commission for Tribes. Option D. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Answer: National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the leader of Congress party in Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly? Option A. L. Murugan. Option B. K. Selva Perundagai. Option C. H. Raja. Option D. A. Annamalai. Answer: K. Selva Perundagai. Question number 9. How much has the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu ordered to provide to the fishing families as relief for the fishing ban? Option A. 6,000. Option B. 6,500. Option C. 5,000. Option D. 5,500. Answer: 5,000. Question number 10. Who is the first Indian to be honored with World Dance Award 2021? Option A. Al Belaston. Option B. Shashid Malik. Option C. Suresh Muhut. Option D. None of the above. Answer: Suresh Muhut. Question number 11. When was International Day of Biological Diversity observed? Option A. May 28. Option B. May 18. Option C. May 24. Option D. May 22. Answer: May 22. Question number 12. When was National Endangered Species Day observed? Option A. Third Sunday in May. Option B. Third Friday in May. Option C. Second Friday in May. Option D. Second Sunday in May. Answer: Third Friday in May. For the daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.